I have a question from Montreal, Canada. Maria Talon. When does declaring and manifesting abundance is not good? For example, when does it become greed? Maria Talon. There's nothing called greed, please understand. There's nothing called greed. You need to work on your fear of constantly having good, bad, moral, immoral, socially accepted, non-accepted, these boundaries with which you are struggling. Actually, what you need to break is your fears when something will become greed, when it will be immoral. Please understand, I am not saying be immoral, be wrong. I am not saying try to have the whole world under you. No. All I am trying to tell you is, you actually have greedophobia. If I have to coin a new word. Without even having greed, phobia about greed. Understand, actually, if you have greed, you need to work too much. Let us not even bother about that. That is not an actual problem you have. Actual problem you have is greedophobia. Attend to that. When really greed comes, I'll teach you, I'll appear in front of you and teach you how to go beyond it. No, really I'm telling you, when I am appearing in reality, ask the real problem questions. Now your real problem is greedophobia, not greed itself. So let's attend that. When you have greed as a real problem, don't worry, I'll be there to answer and guide you, help you. Without even having that problem, having greedophobia many times stops you living, flowering. I tell you, at least everyone who is sitting in front of me all over the world, I think now around more than 100 places in few thousand people, all of you only have greedophobia, not greed. Let's stop with that. Don't try to drill whether greed is good or bad, all that. You don't have that problem. Then why should you bother about it now? Now all you have is greedophobia. Fear of greed. Break that. That's all you need. So have greed. Enjoy greed. It's okay. When that becomes a real problem, I'll tell you how to break. Next.
The difficulty in manifesting what we really desire, could it be due to self-doubt?
See, self-doubt, self-hatred.
And also low self-esteem? If
See,
so, how do we build on that? Because for students, it's extremely important to build the self-esteem. I'm a teacher.
Now what I am saying, now let me attend two parts of your question.
Yes.
One, you are asking, is it due to self-doubt? And the non-manifesting, is it due to self-doubt? You also asked non-manifestation of desires.
Yes.
I tell you, first statement, desires do not manifest. Only your beliefs manifest.
Yes.
And the reason why your desires do not manifest can be 1,000. In that 1,000, self-doubt is one. Because self-doubt makes sure even your desire is not completely accepted by you. Many times,
Meaning to say you don't believe in that.
you yourself don't believe in that completely. If you believe in that completely, it will become your perception.
I agree.
It will not be desire anymore. Understand?
Yes.
So self-doubt can be one reason. Self-hatred. After some time, the self-doubt develops into self-hatred. Oh, what I am. Somebody put a status. Who I am is Ramana Maharshi's question. What the hell I am is my question. I saw in the Facebook. No, really. Who I am by Ramana Maharshi. Who the hell I am by me. By and by, when you are not able to handle self-doubt, it gets crystallized in you as a self-hatred.
Okay.
And then self-denial.
Okay.
Anything I want should not happen. I am not qualified for it.
Is that low self-esteem, Swamiji?
Low self-esteem is too sweet word.
Okay.
You can feel very cute about it. No. The way you define your problem itself should be hurting you deeply. So you wake up. You become ferocious towards yourself. Do not have cute definitions of your problem. Actually, one fellow, he was addicted to smoking. He came to me and asked, can you give me a solution to get rid of smoking? I was talking to him maybe 5-6 minutes, then I understood his whole mental pattern. I gave him a very simple solution. Stop keeping the cigarettes in a beautiful pack. Cover it in the Tamil newspaper, not even English newspaper. It's low GSM. English newspaper is a little high GSM, and Tamil newspaper is low GSM. I told him, pick up the low GSM, cheap, the yellow magazines, or that kind of Tamil newspaper. That paper and tie your cigarette and keep it in your packet. Every day pick up from that. Whenever you smoke, pick up from that and start smoking. Because I saw in his body language, lifestyle and everything, he's a very stylish guy. And actually in 1 week he dropped smoking. Because much of it was the pattern of a style than the pattern of enjoying the cigarette. Because he was not able to take out that newspaper and pull that cigarette in front of everyone. I tell you, much of your problems are you use very cute words to retain it. Do not use cute words. Do not use the terms which gives you a kind of a pride. Actually, going to a psychiatrist, especially a high-paid psychiatrist, psychoanalyst, becomes a fashion. And actually, I saw some of the handbag styles studded with medicines, the tablets. God, is there no limit to celebrate our sufferings and pain? So please understand, low self-esteem is too cute word.
Okay.
Don't use.
Okay.
Let it be hurting word as that experience hurts. See, when some experience hurts, let the word denoting it also be hurting. So you wake up to the reality. You become ferocious towards yourself. You always try to keep the word very sweet. The word very sweet. I say no. That is why I developed a new word called SDHD. Self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial. For kids, ADHD. For adults, SDHD.
Okay.
And let it be very harsh. As that experience is harsh. See, I am not saying good experiences, good things, you should use the harsh words. When something is hurting, let the word be hurting. So we are very clear, it is hurting. The low self-esteem is a very cute word. All of us feel, oh, it is egolessness, peace, love,
Exactly.
silent type. I am a withdrawal, non-controversial, unhurting, small, cute, hiding in a corner. You understand? That cozy. No. When something is hurting, let's be clear, it is hurting. So I'll better recommend have the Tamil newspaper. Now that is the example. Really. So anything you carry, use the right word. Use the right word. And I tell you, you will simply walk out of it. You will simply be healed. Actually, when you are using the right word, suddenly you will see you yourself become ferocious towards you. Success is all about you becoming ferocious with yourself. As long as you are cute with you, life will be ferocious with you. When you become ferocious with you, life will treat you as a cute kid. Then life will treat you cutely. When you think you are too cute and put your thumb into the mouth, life will beat you and ask you, wake up. Wake up. It's too late. When you stand up, being ferocious with yourself, life will treat you like a flower, beautifully. That's all.
Thank you.